Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. As you can tell, it's pretty sunny out right now, so we're gonna head down to Ventura to check out something really delicious. So let's get on going. Finally on the bus. All right. We finally made it to the festival and making our way in. That was like a 30-minute bus ride from the shuttle, one of the shuttle pickups. So, okay, now we have to walk in and check in. All right, let's do this. All right, we finally made it in, probably like almost 2 hours later. Let's go check, let's go walk around, shall we? All right, finally get to eat something. Made our own strawberry shortcake. All right, one thing's for sure. There's a lot of people, really crowded, especially for the food areas. Long lines, and some carnival rides. I just want something to snack on. Kidding, we'll find something. All right, I think we've had our fill of this festival here. But there is one thing that we have to get before we leave, because it's the one thing that we really came here to actually get anyway. So it's really in the namesake of the festival. So let's get us some strawberries. We got what we came for. Back to the bus. We're heading back to the mall where we parked initially, so hopefully the ride don't take us long this time. We'll see. And that was our trip to the California Strawberry Festival. Now this year's festival was held at the Ventura Fairgrounds. I believe it was a different location in the previous years, so it is understandable that things may change, especially as they're trying to figure out logistics for this one. We did brave the freeway traffic here of Southern California, and as well as the long lines for the festival, but you know, overall I had a good time and it definitely went away with a lot of fresh strawberries. I will put the link in the description for any information you may need on the festival and future events as well. Thank you so much again for joining me. I hope you had a good and relaxing time. Do come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. And if you have suggestions of places you'd like us to visit, let me know in the comments and you may just see it here on the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.